Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying live economic calendars and broker uptime, and then act immediately. Once done, mark all high-impact releases for the session and impose a 15-30-minute no-entry window around each. You also set explicit position size caps, 1% or a fixed dollar limit, to protect the account. Make sure to enable audible alerts and mobile push for surprises. This first step prevents impulsive entries, gives you reaction time, and enforces risk discipline from the outset. You move to the execution layer and never use market orders into volatile prints. Instead, place pending limit or stop orders with clear stop loss and take profit legs. Cancel them 5-10 minutes before the event. Once done, reduce allowed slippage and prevent auto-leverage changes during spikes. Make sure to track bid-ask spread and order book depth so you can spot false liquidity. If algo rules permit, switch to conservative time and force settings to avoid fills during flash moves, and log every canceled or rejected order. You finish the session by executing a strict closeout policy. Flatten or hedge exposed positions 1 to 5 minutes before each scheduled release, depending on your rule. Once trades are closed, perform a quick end-of-day log. Capture timestamps of news, fills, and slippage for each trade. Make sure to review mismatches and recurring rejections. If something goes wrong, system disconnects or fills at monstrous slippage, pause trading immediately, escalate to prop support, and analyze logs to update rules before you resume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.